YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong set naman tayong pagkakakitaan. Ito ang OKE TRX or OKE/TRX.xyz. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-sign up at register dito? Ilagay lamang ang ating mobile number, login password, security password at ang ating invite code. Di-attach lang natin yung ating code. Then once na ma-fill up pa natin siya guys, click natin itong sign up. So yun guys, once na nakapag-sign up at login na tayo, meron latest announcement sa atin si OKE-TRX. So, OKE-TRX top 10 global mining bases, mine number 1 next to the Girguli Power Station in the Upper Columbia River, Washington State, Northwestern United States. Mine number 2 next to the Tokuri Power Station in Northern Brazil. Mine number 3 Zambezi River, Zimbabwe, next to the Bashawer Station, Mozambique. And then my number 4, the lower reaches of the Tocantins River in the Amazon region of northern Brazil adjacent to the Tocrehebo Power Station. My number 5, next to Tocoma Power Station on the lower Caroni River in Venezuela. My number 6, Upper Parana River near Paraguay, Brazil, next to the Itaipu Power Station. My number 7, next to the nuclear power plant in Calgar, Karnataka, India on the banks of the Kalinade River. My number 8, Upper Zingo River in the lower Amazon River, Brazil, next to the Maisian Highway Station. My number 9, next to the Julie Shaw Station in eastern Venezuela. My number 10, Upper Yenisei River in Sevilla near Science Shake Power Station. So guys, now once na nakapag-login tayo, meron total balance natin dito sa atin si OKE TRX na 1,229.39 TRX. So magtungo naman tayo sa ating trading. So yun guys, once na nakatungo tayo sa ating trading, we have here the trading profit 24-hour settlement. Cloud mining is working positive 5%. So, and we have here the 61.47 TRX quantifying transaction revenue. Click lang natin yung ating receive. So once na naklik natin yung ating receive, successful received na siya. Click natin itong ating invest. So once na nakatungo tayo sa ating product list, we have here the investment, we have here the product list. So OKE-TRX my number 1 daily rate 2 cycle 7 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 3 daily rate 3 cycle 30 days. And then my OKE-TRX my number 10 daily rate 5 cycle 90 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 5 daily rate 6 cycle 120 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 8 daily rate 7 cycle 150 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 2 cycle daily rate 8 cycle 180 days. And then the last one is the OKE-TRX my number 7 daily rate 13.5 cycle 360 days. Magtungo naman tayo muna sa ating share. So yun guys, so nakatungo tayo sa ating share, we have here the QR code and then yung ating invite code and then yung ating copy link, yung referral link natin guys. So paano nga ba makapag-earn ng rewards ito sa ating site? Kailangan natin i-copy itong referral link, then i-share natin siya through social media like Facebook, Instagram at Messenger para makapag-earn na tayo ng ating rewards. So magtungo naman tayo sa ating mine. So once na nakatungo tayo sa ating mine, meron tayo ditong total balance na 1,290.86 TRX by IP1. So you have here the deposit and withdrawal. So TRX deposit quantity 15 TRX. You charge any number of TRX to activate account and open the withdrawal function. So dito muna tayo sa ating deposit. Paano nga ba makapag-deposit ito sa ating site? So we have here the transfer to basic account and transfer to promotion account. So investment is divided into two modes. First, recharge to the basic account and receive income according to Singapore time zone after 24-hour every day. So second is recharge into the promotion account. You can receive income according to different cycles. Return the principal and income upon maturity. View notes. Before investing, please choose a basic account or a promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is very critical issue. Magtungo naman tayo sa ating transfer to basic. So yun guys, once na nakarating tayo sa ating transfer to basic account, we have here the QR code and then yung ating copy address. So itong copy address natin guys, is ipipaste lang natin siya sa ating basic Binance account or other account, and then para makapag-withdraw tayo. So once successful na yung ating withdraw sa ating Binance account or other account, click lang natin itong recharge complete para ma-deposit yung ating i-deposit dito sa ating site. So yun guys, magtungo naman tayo sa ating withdrawal. Paano nga ba makapag-withdraw dito sa ating site? So once nakatungo tayo sa ating withdrawal, we have here the basic account balance 24-hour withdrawal. So ang total balance natin is 1,290.86. So daily withdrawal limit is 0.45. Then we have here the basic account and then quota. Yung quota guys is yung desired amount na ating gustong withdrawin. And then yung address, yung link ng yung wallet address ng ating Binance account or other account, para doon pumasok yung ating withdrawin, then yung ating security password. So once na nagay yung security password, complete, pinutin nyo lang itong confirm. So yun guys, napaka-legit talaga ng ating site. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-register na kayo at huwag kalimutan i-click ang subscribe button and then yung notification bell para update kayo sa mga i-release.